Hi guys, this is Asi from 246 Bay Street. Today I want to share with you my personal experience with this thing called the YogaPipe product, HVAC product that we unfortunately installed in our 4-story building. Basically, we got a recommendation about this product. It's supposed to be more efficient, more flexible, although it costs more than the other pipes. We decided to go for it, and well, as you can see, my personal experience has been terrible. We are still fixing the problems. We had to open all of the walls. As you can see, we found holes in various places in the pipes, so we had to basically open up everything on the roof in the apartments and basically replace the whole thing. Needless to say, this cost us a lot of money, and I'm personally, very disappointed with this product, and I cannot recommend it from my experience. Maybe somebody else out there used it and it's fine, it's great. Might be. In my case, as you can see, this has been a nightmare. Everywhere we looked, there were these holes. So basically, this pipe did not work for us at all. Just wanted to share it with you guys in case you're considering it. I don't know. In my experience, as I can say, I would just stick to the good old copper pipes and not mess around with this type of stuff. This has been a very costly mistake. Unfortunately, we haven't received much feedback from the company. They asked us to fill out some form, which I don't really know how to fill out, and yeah, it's been a nightmare basically. So you do your own decisions. This is not specific advice. I'm just sharing here my personal experience, which has been, as I said, really terrible. Wish you all guys the best. Have a good day. Bye bye.